pause, cause you're there on the fine soldier shape, yeah. Never mind me, man. I'm just vibing here. It's no wonder no one knows anyway. Ask the white dove. Kisses your entrance to my mind every time. Guess he likes to collect little hickeys. I don't know. I remain the same. Comatose anyway. It's whatever.
Again, who am I, what am I? Look at my face, the eyes don't lie. If I was one with a smooth tongue used for fun, I take a look at myself and at myself why I got a thread that I'm holding on for sanity. My mind takes the things that are going on close to the soul and actually stepping on. These people are doing wrong, the list can go on and on for ages. Tangled up through mazes, as lost as a meal is pushed through a panther. I keep my eyes on those who pass by. They look to PM dawn, the quest for the answer. Mercy, mercy me, till I see the end of the human race's Grand Prix. Mr. Red knows I pose a threat. Yeah, I like to see him sweat. Dr. Vibe tends to get hypnotic. Reality thinks the Prince B is erotic. The magic wand seems to be misplaced. I can't see it if it's covered in lace. The best way to keep your word is not to give it. I don't make promises, cause promises die. But those who use hate just won't participate. So that's why I choose to use my eyes and stay comatose. Positive or negative impression on your brain, whatever remains, whatever stays the same, results from an inside view or perspective. Other than that, persona snaps from the strain. But what remains to be seen is how you choose to use your time. And still the point blank calculation's unclear of whether your text can catch these lines or toss them to the side so you can't realize illusions only last till the scene is through. Approaching this scenario, what would you do? Lose your noodle or try some voodoo? Accept defeat, then what's the next phase? Rely on the brave, rely on the copious. The secret of any victory lies in the organization of the non-obvious and a comatose. Tell me a lot to keep my head straight, but view set the fronts like an unseen crime. I like to watch close and see what they might take. A tick from a talk, a line from a rhyme, a leaf off an elm, a move might yell bold, an unseen realm. Or what that realm holds is nothing. Nothing that makes sense. They walk with small talk, and I watch the consequence swell up and overflow into a large book. Maybe it's the undertow of what the time took to put together scenes, make it all seem clean. A pacified picture is a life being dreamed till it's tried by the spies. That's when they realize the rose ain't red and the vials ain't blue. But those that are swift will pinpoint the trip, and everybody else will think it's deja vu except the comatose.